Salt, sun, oxidation, hard use. The marine environment never lets up. This is Yacht Maintenance Unhinged, a behind-the-scenes look at the real work of protecting and maintaining the world's most demanding vessels. Presented by Veluto Products, high-performance ceramic marine care, freshly blended for yachts, tenders, and personal watercraft. Engineered to protect against salt, UV exposure, oxidation, and water spotting. Built for life on the water. VelutoProducts.com.
Hi everybody, I'm here with Captain Liam on Motor Yacht Unbridled. Behind us, we've polished and ceramic coated the transom. And I just wanted to take some time and say thank you, Captain Liam, for having me out here. Beautiful day in Alaska.
A pleasure.
Yeah, we got, we're training Eleisha here, training the crew, showing them all the new Veluto products and new releases, and most importantly, polishing and ceramic coating.
Yeah, these are high wear areas on the swim platforms and transoms of yachts. So for me, when I had the opportunity and I saw the products, I got pretty excited because the amount of times that we wash and maintain and detail every day. So we spend about 2-3 hours every day washing and detailing this pace. So we can have a product like this to protect it, then it's just a quick rinse and the crew can either get back to work or maybe have a break, you know, so it's about making time.
Yes, sir, saving time. Time is money. Speaking of time, this coating is supposed to last 18 to 24 plus months, given that you use the right maintenance products and the right care habits. How does that help Motor Yacht Unbridled's future and their paint issues?
You know, for us, it's about, like I said, saving time. You know, it's the application and it makes it simpler. You know, right now, I said, Unbridled looks perfect right now. This is the best I've seen it since I've been on board for 3 years, you know, and I've tried all different things and manufacturer's recommendations and all care and insulator wax, but neither of those last more than 1 to 3 months, realistically, no disrespect. They're great products, but we're looking for something that can get us through 1 season, 2 seasons, 3 seasons, winters, underway. So for me, it's the biggest saving is time. We're getting about 20-30% per day of hours out of the deck crew more. And that can be used on training and guest interaction. And that's the value that I try and bring to the clients is we want our crew in front of the client. And what helps that is proper maintenance, you know?
Beautiful. Do you believe it's more important to have a better performing product or spend more time investing in the crew?
Well, it's a tough one, isn't it? I got a couple of crew looking at me down here, so I don't know what to choose, you know? We're busy, Unbridled. We run a busy program, so they do go hand in hand. And this is the middle of a season in Alaska. 9 times out of 10, captains are not going to invest time in maintenance and products. That's the wrong approach. Don't wait till the end of the season when the crew are tired. Don't wait to the start of the season when they're not ready. Take time when you can make time. You know, this was only like, what, 2 days?
Yeah, a day and a half.
That we set the area, day and a half, we got the product, the whole transom's done, and we'll start to see a return on investment tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Today, we have clients coming. So it goes hand in hand, invest in the crew. The biggest thing what you've done for us is the training. And Eleisha and Ruin and the deck crew have now seen a different skill set. And that's where I see the biggest value in what you've done, you know, Tyler, is you've brought a different skill set to the team. I always say it's what you don't know, you don't know. And on yachts, too many crews stick to what they think they know and they forget to bring in the professionals.
Right.
So every now and then you've got to keep bringing professionals in and saying, this is how you cut, and this is how you polish, this is how you prepare the surface for an application of a product.
Yes, sir. I've been doing this for 10 plus years, so it's time to start handing down the education.
Yeah, that's it. Did you enjoy your experience? How was it?
It was beautiful. Everybody's like family. I've made friends with all the crews. It's a very warm environment. I'm glad to be on board. I'm glad to have you have me on board.
Yeah. Let's talk about the products. I'm going to bring in Eleisha, if that's all right. You comfortable with that? Jump on in, Eleisha. Don't be shy.
Hi, everybody. I'm Tyler. This is Eleisha. Welcome to Yacht Maintenance Unhinged. So, Eleisha, what was your experience been like over the past day and a half learning how to professionally polish and ceramic coat using Veluto products?
Oh, it's been unreal. Like, I've just learned a whole baseline of brand new products that have been released. You know, from the usual yacht maintenance like that we usually use and seeing the impact that these different products can have, it's been unreal. And learning from the professional himself, Tyler, there's no better way to learn.
What was your most valuable learning experience over the past 2 days?
Most valuable learning experience is how doing it professionally is important. You can't just wing some products because the impact it can have on, say, paint, if you do it the wrong way, can be even worse than what it started. So you can't always just grab a new product and hope for the best and trial and error. It's also good to get the professionals in themselves and learn the proper way to then be able to train the rest of your team to do it.
Because cutting corners will bite you in the ass at some point, won't it?
Oh yeah, it can make it twice as long, you know. It's not always fun and games.
Right. What was your favorite product to use on board, or favorite products?
Okay, I got a few. Well, my first one is definitely the acid cleaner because we have a lot of watermarks on our vessel, especially being a blue hull. It's very noticeable and it does take a lot of labor and elbow grease to get it out. So like you mentioned, let the product do the work. This is the definition of let the product do the work. The acid cleaner, you just watch it and then rinse it off. And it already gets so much of the watermarks out for you to help that prepping process. The next one would definitely be, I really enjoy learning different brands. So usually we use 3M cutting compounds. So being able to see another one like Voluto and how it works is a nice change just to have that in your belt. Another one would be, I definitely loved, my favorite is the gel coating because I've never actually gel coated before. So being able to see how it's applied, how to get it off, and the timely manner it has to be done. Quick sticks for sure, otherwise that's when things can go wrong. So it was great, definitely for this part, having you there and guiding me through it, and being able to go from what it was to now what it is the most rewarding part.
Right. You know, and crew members are usually thrown into these environments where they're given these loads of products and they figure it out, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So do you feel that training is more, like we've asked Liam, is more valuable or as valuable as the product itself without the training? Can you use these same products without training and get these results that we got with training?
Oh, absolutely not. Like a great example is going from a deckhand to a chief officer. Yeah, you can be on a boat for like 2 to 3 years and just try and learn on the job, or you can go do the qualifications that teach you the right way of doing things. So it's quite the same. Like if you want to give me a handful of products, yeah, I can spend time trying to learn it, but will I know the right way and the best way without getting it done by getting taught by a professional? No. So training is definitely key. You gotta make sure you spend money on your development, and that's what Captain Liam has done. He really tries hard to make sure he gives to the crew, educates them to the best visibility, and so I'm very thankful to have a captain like Liam.
Yeah, Liam's awesome. So is Eleisha. And, you know, Eleisha, I appreciate your time, your willingness to learn, your ever-growing abilities here on Motor Yacht Unbridled. And I appreciate you opening up your home to me over the past 2 days.
Oh, absolute pleasure. You're part of the fam now, mate.
Part of the fam, guys. You heard it here first. This is Tyler. This is Eleisha. Captain Liam is somewhere in the bridge. This is Yacht Maintenance Unhinged.
Catch you later.
If your brand belongs in the heart of the yachting world, this is where it happens. Yachting International Radio reaches over 1 million yachting professionals and enthusiasts every month, with 77 million impressions, 220,000 social followers, and 74,000 podcast subscribers. Our hosts are insiders, crew, captains, CEOs, trusted voices shaping the industry. This is targeted, high-impact advertising in a luxury niche. Visit yachtinginternationalradio.com/advertise. Your audience is already listening.